Hi everyone! Yes, I'm aware these two are different colors, completely different, but these two are the only two of this type of mystical color that I have. And, you know, it's not really a comparison, but it's more of a video where I wanted to ask you guys, which mystical mix do you prefer? The Moonglow that everybody loves, which has a more of a pink purple overall feel, or the shadow violet, where it has this gray blue sort of feel. They're completely different, and shadow violet was my first one. I quite like it. I honestly like both of them because they're so beautiful on their own, but I just don't know how to use it. Where do I use it? I tried using shadow violet as a shadow color, but I feel like it just didn't go well with my palette. Again, this video isn't really much of a comparison because they're two different colors, but I just wanted to know that between these two types of mystical, dreamy colors, which one do you prefer? The more pinkier one or the more bluer one? And what do you use it for? That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.